What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Hey, Robbie, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream, bro. We have got some stuff going on right now, don't we? We've got some stuff going on right now. Emergency, no clickbait thumbnail. Dogecoin is back in 33s. 33 cents, guys. This right here is not what you want to see, unfortunately. I was not planning on going live until later tonight, but I mean, with Doge back at 33, that's something to talk about. Honestly, I'm looking for a dip buy right around now, to be honest. So let me just get my device ready. Okay. What we need to do first, figure out what the heck is going on, right? We're just going to right into this stream. We're not even going to waste time. So, need to figure out what's going on here. Oh, that's not good at all. That is not good at all. You know exactly what that is. Just hopefully that doesn't come any lower. The surprising thing is, the way Dogecoin actually fell here is worse than the way that Bitcoin fell. That's very weird. Maybe it's not. I mean, it's still pretty bad. But thank you all for the likes too. Guys, if you don't mind, if you're new to the channel or anything, if you just don't mind hitting the like button, just so that we can get, you know, this stream referred to other people and get the ball rolling, I would really appreciate it. If you don't mind. But oh my goodness, we're crashing, guys. There's no other way around it. Excuse the rain in the background. It is storming over here, but we're crashing right now. We are going down. I'm actually not in right now, so for me this is a dip opportunity. Holy crap. All right, let's pull up the Twitter really quick and make sure we didn't miss anything. All right, let's get rid of this. We need to look at Bitcoin, all right, because we know it's not bad news for Dogecoin, because Bitcoin wouldn't be going down as well. So it has to be something going on with Bitcoin. But the thing is, what? Let's see if there's anything... Oh, goodness. See if there's anything technical we can point to here. This is a very impromptu stream, by the way. Holy crap. Guys, this is really bad. And thank you for the 2 people that just got us to 4 likes. I appreciate that. Let's see if we can get to 10. That would be amazing. But this is bad. As you can see here, as we zoom out, we up our time frame, take a step back, see what's going on. Just to see, you know, first, what the heck is going on. And then second, what does that mean short term if this continues? We already have our channel lines, support and resistance, like the major ones, mapped here, because we've been looking at this for 2 weeks now, as we've been trading sideways. But the thing is, at one point in time, we had this, and I think trend channel might just highlight it for us here. Oh, no, it's saying, yeah, okay. We had this like upward trend going, just depending on how you look at it, really. If you're really far up, it's like a downtrend or a sideways trend. But I mean, in general, we kind of had this upward movement here. We were making higher lows and higher highs for a period of time here. Then we broke out of that upward trend channel. We started trading sideways. Now, all of a sudden, I mean, right here, things weren't so bad. We looked at this. We're like, maybe this could be a head and shoulders. But at the end of the day, it didn't really form out that way. It wasn't clean enough. It was just price action. Didn't want to look into it that much. So then we were trading sideways here. But then just all of the sudden, when you take a look on the Bitcoin side, to just, I don't know, just a couple hours ago, really, we broke below this 36,000 mark and just started grinding down. And then we got to this point just, I don't know, an hour ago, hour and a half, and we've started dumping. Now, as you can see, our levels are strong. That's why they're drawn out. And we did stop perfectly right at the line. So that's cool. That's all fine and dandy. The unfortunate thing is, though, that this is supposed to be Doge's time to shine. Like we talked about for the last couple days, we've been waiting for this Coinbase announcement. We finally got it. We got 2 announcements in one day, plus the giveaway. We're supposed to have all this buying pressure. And instead, Bitcoin is killing the show. How unfortunate. That's really a bummer. We should be at like 45 cents right now, but instead, we're kind of suffering from some Bitcoin FUD. Robbie says, am I the only one excited for a discount? No, I'm actually excited for a discount as well. If you're not in, by the way, 33 cents Doge is really good price. That's all I'm going to say. 33 cents Doge is a really good price. Okay, Bitcoin. Only thing is, this could stall out right at this moment because it did its obvious, expected bounce right at the support line. And this is a major support line, 33,000-ish. So we're getting this violent rejection off of that. That doesn't mean it's going to go back even to the 200 EMA line. But usually you'd expect it to stop at previous support. And it's right about there. So we'll see what happens in the next couple moments here. But always, anytime you're coming down to a major level, as soon as it starts slowing down and it turns green, if it's an extremely strong level, you can kind of do like a predict dip buy there. Just assume it might be the bottom. It's a safe buy. Regardless of what happens, you're going to get a nice bounce to sell at. And then you can just play it by ear at that point. See if it looks strong still or not. If not, you can sell it, make that little profit off the scalp. If so, you can just keep it and hold it. Up to you. Guys, thank you so much for the likes, by the way. I really appreciate it. It's what helps the channel get recognized, considering I only have a couple thousand subs. So if you don't mind hitting the button if you haven't, I really do appreciate that. The question is, though, not what's happening right now, because that's pretty obvious. We broke below a support level, and now we started to dump, right? The thing is, we dumped Doge down with us. That's what the main problem is. I don't think most of us here care too much about Bitcoin. I know I don't have any Bitcoins. I'm not going to have any Bitcoins. I don't casually have $30,000 to $50,000 sitting in my bank account at any given time to spend on one coin. So this one's not for me. But Bitcoin is the market leader. Thank you, whoever just liked. I appreciate that. Bitcoin is the market leader. And when Bitcoin goes down, the market goes down, unless something crazy is happening to give these individual cryptocurrencies their own strength. When the market goes up, Bitcoin lifts the market up, unless a cryptocurrency has a reason to really go down and break away from that pool. So that's why we do care about what's happening with Bitcoin here. And Bitcoin is just showing additional signs of weakness. This is really what we hoped wouldn't happen, because on the Doge side, we just can't afford it right now. We're not Ethereum. We're not something that large scale that is like second to Bitcoin that's going to grow inevitably because all these insane announcements, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's going to just exponentially grow in price over time. And we're not any of these newer cryptocurrencies that are coming out that do these crazy things with the crypto network. We are a coin that just came away from being a meme coin that is now trying to establish itself as the retail buyer and seller of goods, the coin to replace currency, fiat currency. So we just don't have that kind of strength and that kind of expectation to just exponentially grow on our own, because there's no reason to. So we're a little bit different. That means, yeah, when we get hype and things that can pump us, reasons to move, we can move way faster. But also, if we don't have those things, we kind of are just like sitting ducks, basically, until we get that next announcement. So we were really glad to have the stability. Don't get me wrong. Even though we weren't climbing, it was great to see Dogecoin come from a meme coin that was like 4 to 5 cents, transfer and grow into something that's holding stable at a price that, even at a low point, even with all this FUD and market crap going on, that people can agree, like, yeah, we are worth no less than 35 cents. We're not selling. That's just based on our actual value that we've gotten at this point with everything that we know. But Bitcoin is really making us look bad, because you got to remember, not everyone that's invested in Dogecoin, maybe not even some of you in the stream right now, really understand how the pool of the market leader works. So we're not crashing on Doge right now because anything happened to Doge. We're crashing because Bitcoin is still really weak and it's pulling us down with it. That's the only reason we're going down right now. So don't completely panic. If you are panicking right now, look at this as a potential dip buy opportunity Tomorrow should be a much better day. That much I can say right now. Hey, what's going on, Shmicky? Tesla live event on the 10th, car reveal. Yep, and hopefully on Wednesday we'll get that announcement we all want. Doge for Tesla. CH, what's going on, man? What's the status like today? We were doing okay today. Pretty much as expected yesterday. I think everything that we talked about yesterday was pretty on point. Like I said, take a look at the stock market because that's going to be indicative to what happens on the crypto side. Everyone's chasing a move. And Doge just wasn't moving. Nothing in the crypto space was moving thanks to Bitcoin trading sideways and kind of holding everything back. So just like a lot of us here in the stream right now, people around the world, around the US or wherever you're located, just getting impatient, wanting to actually make some money. They've been sitting on their hands too long. And now you've got these pump opportunities in AMC, in GameStop, in Workhorse, WKHS, in, all these different, in BlackBerry potentially. And so just like Thursday and Friday, today was all eyes on the stock market and see if there's a move. And like I said yesterday, the play for today was keep an eye on pre-market, see if you're seeing any movement. If things aren't dumping immediately, that means that there's a chance that all eyes will be on the stock market today because people weren't done. If there's any signs of hope, they're probably going to get back in. And then, like I said, if things are trading sideways and maybe even moving up slowly into market open, just check market open, see if there's a dump. And if things do hold and then move up, then it's probably not our day in the crypto side. And, kind of beware of Doge, beware of Bitcoin type thing, because everybody is going to be chasing that money. Because right now, crypto is just not making us money. So why would you even, if you want to make money, you're not going to be sitting here looking at the Doge screen, that's for sure. So just thinking about it reasonably, trying to think about, find the logic, what makes sense, and evaluate there. So yeah, there's that. And sure enough, I mean, if you just take a look back, and welcome to the stream, everybody. Glad to have you. This is going to be a short stream. Usually my streams are a little bit later on, so I will have my main stream in the evening. If you want to catch that as well, hit that sub button right below, click the notification bell, and select all. I live stream 7 days a week, at least once per day. Just like today, I'm going to be doing 2 streams. So if you're into that kind of Doge coverage or crypto coverage, join the group, join the family. Would be glad to have you in the next stream. This was just an emergency stream because Bitcoin went below a level that it was holding stable at. And Bitcoin was actually holding with some signs of strength here, even despite all of this. I mean, yeah, you got the head and shoulders type thing going on, a little bit of a sell-off, consolidation, but it did not want to go under like the 36, 35,000 mark. And then all of a sudden, this massive multiple $1,000 sell-off within minutes or hours, just depending on how far back you're talking into these candles. But yeah, that's dragging Doge down with it. Pretty much any other cryptocurrency you can check is probably not going to be looking so hot either, because oh, that's not Ethereum. Here it is. See, look at this, same exact pattern going on. It's following Bitcoin down. I don't know if I can check ADA US. Okay, same exact thing going on with Cardano. It doesn't matter what you trade. Any altcoin that respects Bitcoin is doing the same thing right now. They're all crashing. Welcome to the crypto market. You heard 50% of Doge is owned by 20 wallets. Well, that's not good. At least that's not a lot of people, not a lot of whales to, if they're willing to sell at some point, Elon will really take this thing to the next level like he said he would. So there's a bright side, I guess, but that's still kind of concerning. Let me, if I can actually type here, BitUSD. I'm struggling. All right. So yeah, it's still not looking good. I mean, we got the major sell-off here from Bitcoin, a curve around, another dump. If this holds here, maybe we can get out. I don't know. That's just a very bad sign. So we're going to have to wait it out and see. This price action right here doesn't mean too much quite yet. But Doge is sitting at 0.333. If you were looking for a dip, here's your chance. Just beware there might be a dip to 31. We don't know what Bitcoin's going to do here. Hey, Sadu, what's going on? Thank God you were online. I am based in the UK and I keep missing you. Oh, okay. Can I please have 2 shows to accommodate different time zones? No one else delivers your level of knowledge on crypto. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, what time is it in the UK right now? I usually do streams at like 9 o'clock Eastern time in the US, but I can do an earlier stream if that's what you're looking for. Hey, Abibos, what's going on? If I didn't pronounce that right, my bad. About to pump? We'll see. I would love a pump. Godmaster Ryan, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Any word on news that made it dump? If there is, why? See, I've been looking for news, and I just haven't seen any yet. I mean, I did check Twitter pretty quickly, so maybe something's popped up since there. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. The FBI seized criminal proceeds from a Bitcoin wallet. That started the sell-off. They seized $2.3 million in Bitcoin crypto. Wow. So because Bitcoin was supposed to be so stable, secure, and I mean it is, but it's been used in a large-scale criminal transaction. That started the price crash. And because of that, it then broke below a support level, which made it crash even more. So that's why, guys, they just started. I checked Twitter when I first went live. The articles weren't up quite yet, but they're rolling in now. So Bitcoin has crashed because the FBI seized $2.3 million worth of currency, Bitcoin currency, that were used in a like ransomware exchange. So not a good look for Bitcoin. I think it's not a good look, not only because it was involved in criminal activity, but because the FBI was able to get in and seize it. Because it's supposed to be, you know, you're not really supposed to be able to access people's wallets. So how did they do that? There's going to be a lot of questions raised here. That's actually really bad for the crypto market. I would not be surprised if this is not the end of the sell-off for Bitcoin right here. That's actually not good. Wow. Can we get that article back, please? Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin FBI. And guys, this, like I said, it is going to be a quick stream. This is not my usual stream time, and I'm off work, but I have to then go back to work because my job is crazy. So, watched a very interesting video on Rect Capital channel. Interesting Wyckoff analysis. He doesn't think we're in phase 4 yet. What exactly would phase 4 be? UK, it's oh. Wait, 22:28 p.m. Okay. Earlier stream? Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying. So it's 10 p.m. there. Interesting. 10:28. All right. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll do a stream. Oof, that's going to be difficult with work. I'll figure it out. Yeah, if there's enough people to support it, I'll definitely make it. I'll make it 2 streams a day. A quick one early and then the main one late. At the end of the day, I can recap more so the streams have a little more value. But yeah, definitely like a midday what's going on type thing. Bring the house down to the foundation. Just as long as I'm not in the house when it crashes down, yeah, absolutely. This is the 4th phase of the shakeout phase. Everyone is getting scared of a deeper dip and will sell. Later tonight, it will pump up until June 10th. That makes sense. FBI has tools that crack hardware wallets. Ah, okay. I just don't think anybody wanted to hear that. Hey, welcome to this. Every time I can't stay on and stream for a long time, we get a lot of viewers. It's pretty annoying. I wish I could really capitalize on it. Let's see. Maybe it's the news of the oil pipeline ransom. Yeah. That's what it is. That's what it is. Big sell-off. Major sell-off. Yeah, that's what it is. So FBI kind of seized the proceeds from the ransomware. I think the oil pipeline ransom. $2.3 million worth. And that just ended up crashing Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure there's multiple reasons for it. Hey, Godmaster Ryan, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Welcome to the family. Appreciate that. They boasted about in the news last week. Yeah, this is just not good. Like I said, I am not invested in Bitcoin. I do not care what Bitcoin price action does. the kind of people that do invest in Bitcoin, I mean, just are not like me, because I just don't have money like that, to be completely honest. So they're going to be a different kind of person with a slightly different mindset. And moves like this, you know, they're probably not concerned about, because they're usually not going to be short-term traders anyway. So they're probably not saying, well, I really hope by tomorrow that Bitcoin goes back up to 40,000. They could probably kind of care less, you know, as long as it's going to go up and they buy in and they ride the price back up eventually. They're long-term investors. It's a different kind of thing. On the Doge side, though, we're kind of more here to catch a move, catch a couple big moves, and we don't want to have to wait a month or a year. We would like that to happen in like a week or a couple days. So each time that Bitcoin ends up crashing, and it crashes the whole crypto market, and it brings Dogecoin down with it, it really just sets us back, because we have so much good news this week. This was supposed to be our time to shine. Literally today into tomorrow. Here's the thing, though. Here's the thing. And welcome to the stream, everybody. Glad to have you. Like I said, this is a very short stream today. Once I finish covering this, the next stream will be at 9 p.m. Eastern time. That's the plan. If you want to catch that, hit the sub button, notification bell, click all, and you'll get notified when I go live in a couple hours. I would love to have you guys in the next stream. If you don't mind, feel free to join. But yeah, here's the thing. We were already talking about yesterday and the day before that if AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, and Workhorse had their shine today, which they did, GameStop actually moved 30% up today. There were plenty of people making money over there that wanted nothing to do with Dogecoin today. A lot of our buyers, including myself, were over there. Hey, what's going on, Amanda? Welcome to the stream. We said if that happens, there will probably be either a sideways trading or a bit of a sell-off on the Doge side, regardless of our good news, because our good news is only going to do but so much. If no buyers are here, it's not going to matter. So regardless of our good news, we'd have a sideways day today, but that today would probably be the end of the strong up moves. And as you can see today, we really didn't do much, even on AMC or GameStop. GameStop, yeah, we did make a 30% move up from where we market open, but it didn't make any new highs. It kind of dipped overnight and then moved back up, making it look like it did a lot today. But kind of looks like everything's running out of steam. No new highs on the AMC side, no new highs on the GameStop side. BlackBerry didn't do too much, and Workhorse, I mean, it moved up a little bit and then it cooled off. So looks like those pump stocks are kind of running out of steam. That means people are going to start moving out of that, closing their positions, taking their profits or their losses if they traded really bad. And then they'll be coming back over to Dogecoin. So we'll get some of our buying pressure back, especially right now at this crazy dip. Okay, because if anyone's smart, they're going to want to be in, and I think my price action froze here. If anyone's smart, they're going to want to be in by Wednesday just in case. And the sooner you can be in before there's any kind of rumor-based run-up or anything like that, the better it's going to be for you. Because if there is a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, or buy the rumor, no news type sell-off, if you're in low, you're not going to be affected negatively by that. Worst case scenario, you just don't make as much as you could have or you would have. Versus if there is a buy the rumor thing, the price moves up to 40, 45, 50 cents. And then on 6/9 on Wednesday, Elon doesn't announce anything, doesn't do any pump tweets, and also doesn't say anything about Dogecoin for Tesla. And then we lose all of our momentum at the end of the day. Then if you bought in on the rumor move up, you might end up at the end of the day at a loss. So for me, this is a good opportunity to buy a dip and hold for the next 2 days on Dogecoin. Because I think starting tomorrow, Bitcoin willing, right? If Bitcoin goes further down, obviously it makes our life way more difficult. But I think starting tomorrow, we start to see Doge starting to take some of the limelight as we get closer to 6/9, which is on Wednesday. Because in everyone's minds, there's potential for a big announcement on Wednesday. So that should start some rumor move up. And then also we've got the Coinbase giveaway, the $1.2 million Coinbase giveaway ending on 6/10. So the last people that are not already entered into that competition are going to want to enter, and you do have to deposit, you have to create a Coinbase account and then buy $100 of Dogecoin to enter. So as many people enter that, multiply those people times $100 of Dogecoin. That's how much is getting bought up over these next couple days. So there is buying pressure to be had. If anything, we should be bullish at this point. and just understand why we're going down. It's only because of Tesla. All right, guys, does that make sense? And thank you. Hey, guys, thank you all for hanging out. Work is calling me again. Like I said, this was a very impromptu stream. Just, I'm technically off, but my job is 24/7. So whenever I'm needed, I gotta run. I appreciate having 30 of you in here. And thank you for the likes. I would love to have you guys in the stream, in the main stream tonight, where we can talk about GameStop, AMC, Workhorse, BlackBerry, the pump stocks of today and last week, what to expect for them tomorrow, and what the play should be to make some money going into tomorrow, into Wednesday as well. If you guys are interested in that conversation, to catch me in that stream in about 3.5 hours, subscribe. First, obviously, you got to subscribe. But then click the notification bell, select all. That's the only way you'll get notified when I go live. Or you can just come back to my channel at 9 p.m. Eastern time, 3.5 hours, and I'll be live. And comments, I'll catch up on those real quick before I go. How much will it dip to, and what do you think about it? It'll be tomorrow. 33 cents right now is the level for 33,000 Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin really goes much lower than that, so I don't think Doge does either. But if we end up at like 31,000, 31.5 Bitcoin, that puts us near 31 cents on Doge. But keep in mind, Doge is a little stronger than it was last week. So the more we move down on the Bitcoin side, we do still move slower down on the. Okay, I'm about to get struck by lightning. We do still move down slower on the Dogecoin side. So there's not much more downside for us to have. We're not going under 30 cents tonight. So if you haven't bought in already, 33 cents is a great dip on the Dogecoin side to buy in and look into holding into Tuesday and Wednesday. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, but I just bought the dip at a 33.5. So that was my play as well. Oh, I gotta go. Man, I don't want to ignore any of your comments. So I'm going to read all the comments, and then I've got to run before I get in trouble. So let's see. June 10th at night will dump a lot after a pump. Sounds funny, but look up moon phases. Actually, that's what I'm expecting to happen anyway, just based off the buy the rumor, sell the news. So that would line up. Just imagine all the paranoid hodlers watching Bitcoin and thought, oh, yeah, OMG, I'm broke. Yeah. Well, I would hope if you have Bitcoins, you're not thinking you're broke. But if so, you might have overextended. Hey, Amanda, welcome to the stream. Last day to win 1.2 is June 10th. Yep. Remember what happened after AMC? Yeah, Doge pump next. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Once the people come back, the only reason we're not moving is because the people that are pumping AMC and GME are from Doge. They're Doge buyers. So once they're done with AMC, GME, and all those meme stocks are done pumping, they come back to the meme coin that they can trust. All right, there's other less stable meme coins like SHIB and all these Safe Moon and CR is what I'll call it, the rocket stock. But Dogecoin, it's stable and has potential to pump. So it's the smartest pump stock to invest in. So they're coming back. Just wait. Give it till end of tonight into tomorrow. You sold all your coins. When would be a good time to buy again? Now. Literally right now. Go long. Keep the hands until the end of the year. I'll check that out. And thank you, Anthony. You subscribed. I don't know if I said thank you, but thank you for that subscribe, man. Clove has the highest short interest in the stock market. Clove is set to skyrocket this week. It always does. Clove is one of those things. You just got to be there at the right time, and it can, make you a lot of money. It does it so many times per year. It's funny. Can we do a Doge TA? Next stream I can do that, but I literally have to run. You're so informative. Thank you for the update. Thank you, show. I appreciate it. Hope you're subbed so I can catch you tonight. Look that up. Thank you, Sadhu. I appreciate that. Diamond Paws, woof. I first bought Doge last year and haven't. Wow, that is Diamond Hands for real. Another story from the UK. UK police seek more legal powers to freeze Bitcoin used by criminals. Oh my goodness. Does 620 have any significance? It shouldn't. Not to my knowledge. No. It shouldn't. But yeah, quick Doge TA. What we already know is we're stable at 37 cents. That's our area of value. 35 is really the lowest we're supposed to go at this point. 33 is an absolute steal of a dip. I would buy that up, and I literally just did. Don't wait. Don't be sad later. Buy now, in my opinion. Not a financial advisor. That's just advice I'm taking. And then 40 to 45 cents is where we have potential to end up tomorrow. Going into Doge Day, maybe 40 to 45 up to not Doge Day, but 6-9, I consider that Doge Day since the last one failed. Anywhere from 40 to 50 cents, just depending on how things go, what Elon decides to tweet out. If he does Doge for Tesla, though, we could like double in price, right? So realistically, that's very possible. That would be an insane announcement, and it means so much for Dogecoin getting adopted by other companies that it could very well go up to 60, 70, mid 70s, 80 cents on an announcement that big. It's like the biggest one that can be made except for Doge for Amazon. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, guys, for more info, I will catch you guys in 3 hours and 17 minutes. That will be 9 p.m. I'll schedule the stream now. So sub up, notification bell, select all. That way you'll get notified right after this video ends. You can click on that notification and set the reminder. Anyway, appreciate you guys all hanging out. I gotta go before I get fired from my 9-to-5 job. So I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Peace. And thank you, Angelo.